Imagine a city where ancient Ottoman bazaars meet Austro-Hungarian elegance, where the whispers of history echo through cobblestone streets, and the aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air. Welcome to Sarajevo, a city of resilience, beauty, and unforgettable charm. In this video, we're diving into the ultimate 10-day itinerary to uncover the heart and soul of Sarajevo, the gem of the Balkans. Nestled in the Dinaric Alps, Sarajevo is no ordinary destination. It's a city shaped by centuries of cultural convergence, where East meets West in a seamless blend of tradition and modernity. From mosques to cathedrals, bustling bazaars to tranquil parks, this is a city that celebrates its rich tapestry of history and diversity. Day 1. Begin your adventure in Baščaršija, the historic heart of Sarajevo. Wander its narrow streets lined with artisans crafting copperwares and stalls brimming with vibrant spices. End the day savoring the iconic keva pie paired with a dollop of creamy kaymak. On day 2, explore the Gazi Husrev Beg Mosque, a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture, and the clock tower, where time is marked by lunar cycles. Then delve into Sarajevo's recent past at the Tunnel of Hope Museum, a sobering yet inspiring story of survival during the siege. Day 3. Escape to Vrelo Bosne, a serene spring park at the foot of Mount Igman. Take a horse-drawn carriage ride and breathe in the crisp mountain air. Later, watch the sun set over the city from the yellow fortress, a view that will leave you speechless. On day 4, visit the National Museum of Bosnia and Herzegovina, home to the precious Sarajevo Haggadah. Then experience the War Childhood Museum, a poignant tribute to resilience through the eyes of children who lived through conflict. What part of Sarajevo are you most excited to explore? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check the description for a link to sign up for our free Gram and Pap travel email newsletter and claim your complimentary travel ebook, Cheapest Europe, featuring 15 budget-friendly locations across Europe to start planning your next adventure. Day 5 takes us on a scenic train ride to Mostar, passing through verdant valleys and turquoise rivers. Stroll across the iconic Stari Most Bridge and explore the old bazaar, brimming with handmade treasures. Day 6. Ride the cable car to Mount Trebević, where hiking trails offer panoramic views of Sarajevo. For a slice of Olympic history, visit the abandoned bobsled track, now a canvas for vibrant street art. On day 7, discover Sarajevo's spiritual side at the Sacred Heart Cathedral and the Jewish Museum. These landmarks reflect the city's legacy of religious coexistence and mutual respect. For day 8, dive into the city's contemporary culture at Arsivi and the History Museum. Then unwind at a local cafe, savoring Bosnian coffee in the traditional dzezva, a ritual as rich as the city itself. On day 9, venture to Lukamir, Bosnia's highest and most isolated village. Here, time seems to stand still, with stone houses and ancient customs offering a window into the past. Meet the locals, and perhaps take home a handcrafted souvenir. Day 10. Wrap up your journey with a last stroll through Baščaršija. Picking up mementos like copperwares and fragrant teas, reflect on the city's incredible journey of resilience and harmony, a story that stays with every visitor. Sarajevo is a city that captivates the heart and soul. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other travel guides and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Happy travels.